today I am starting a new topic. This is name is mean median mode. See here, mean median mode is called measure of central tendency. Means we have sample data set or population data set. We find the central tendency means middle value. Three types of we find the middle values like means mean, median, and mode. Firstly, we learn about mean. Mean is average of all values. And how we find the mean is these using this formula. This formula is so easy, friends. Then when we find the mean, when we find the mean is called average. Means we find the average in simple language. And how we can find using this formula sum of the average? Means we take the sum of these values. This value sum is 20, and number of the observation. Number of observation is 5. Means divided this number, this value come is 4, means 40 is a. Understand guys, mean means the sum of all observations upon number of the observation, and then value come, this value is called mean or average. Next is median. Median is the middle value of our data set. How we find this middle value is when we find the middle value, this arrange our data set in ascending order में arrange करना data set. After arranging ascending order, we see uh, numbers means number of the observation means number of the observation is even or odd. This then means now this number of the observation is odd, means is data set find we will find easily the middle value. See here is the 6. This is odd. This is easily find our middle value. Here middle value is 6. And when we have any even number like this 4 6, then we don't find easy. That time we use one trick. It's take the means this middle values is 4 and 6. 4 and 6, 4 and 6, add this and divide by two numbers. Because of these two numbers we are calculating, that's why this is a 10. 10 divided by 2 means 5. Here we are, here our median is 5. See here next is mode. Mode is so easy friends. Most means most repeated value. Mode is mode is the value occurs most frequently. कितनी बार आया है means most repeated value. See in example I have 7 is mostly repeated. Means how many times repeated is 7 is 3 times. Means our mode is 7 and appear how many times? 3 times 7 appear. It is so easy friends. See here is one example where I'm taking, and here how many observations are there is a 5.